Oh, there you are, YouTube. We're doing an Arboretum vlog today. Hitting up the Arboretum. It's a nice rainy day, a little sprinkly. Got the kids with us. They just dropped their hat. Here you go.
Here.
There you go.
Ready?
Looking great. We just spotted a spider web in the tree. Pretty intense.
Yeah, I did. That's why my hair is wet. Yeah.
So cute. Nice little gazebo. I love this willow here on the pond. You can see the rain hitting the water. Oh, there's my other kid over there. Alrighty. Look at the design on the sidewalk. Is it still a sidewalk or is this just a path? It's not on the side of anything. Got some Nerf knights in the distance. I used to do this back when I was in high school. But it's been a while. Maybe a little bit in college, but I'm pretty sure last time I did that was in high school. Koi, right there. I'm falling behind. The hills are alive with the sound of music. Best picture winner. Everything outdoors is better on a slightly rainy day. Nobody is out, but it's not so rainy that you really have to wear a raincoat. I love that. Sorry for the shaky footage. It's nice out here. Hey, baby girl. I love your dress so much.
My shoe.
Your shoe's a little wet.
Why are you walking on your tippy toes?
I'm walking with because like men.
Oh.
Now.
Oh, because. What?
Did you find a little fort?
Yeah, I think she doesn't want to go in though. You don't want to go in the fort? No.
That's okay.
Yeah. Look at these pretty branches. Willow tree. Want to touch one? You want to go up the hill? What is it?
Be careful. There. That was close.
Your shoeies? Oh, your hat. She's still walking on her tippy toes. Yeah, that's. Oh, what's that?
Opposite corners of the picture frame. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Can you do it? Here, do it. Look at mom. Look at my camera. Oh, no, Nelly, look up. Nell.
Hey, look at the camera. Where's mommy's camera?
Yeah, don't point at it. Just look at it with your eyes.
Want to make a happy face?
Cheeks together.
Lean in.
Oh, okay.
So cute. Rain's starting to get a little heavier. under a, I don't know, what is this, a sycamore or something? Probably not a sycamore. I don't know what tree I'm under. I used to know. In high school, I had to learn the names of all these trees. Lost track of everybody. We're all kind of separated. But man, is this nice. It's like 70 degrees on the nose and just a little drizzle. Starting to pick up a little bit though.
Yeah. Do you need a drink now?
Yeah, on the fuzzy.
We didn't see any fuzzy ones.
Just the yellow dandelions.
Now you stop it. No, no,
Look at all those tree stars.
Do you need a snack break? Does anybody need a snack?
I'm a banana cup.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Oh.
Do you guys want a banana?
Yeah. Rain and go away. Come.
Do you know what bananas give you?
Yeah.
What do they give you?
Pickle.
They give you energy. Do you want more energy? Well, that sounds fun.
I'm not going to banana.
Okay. Oh, you want me to take it all the way out, or you want to hold it?
The rain has gotten pretty heavy. I think we're gonna have to make a mad dash to the car. Because we really can't, I don't know, we didn't bring any umbrellas, no raincoats, no nothing. We did not plan for this correctly, but it was fun while it lasted. You liking this rain? What do they say in Twilight? How you liking the rain, girl? Good, you like it good? You see the pretty willow behind us? Huh? LARPers in the back, sweet singers in the front. Where are those LARPers? Where'd they go? Back there? Yep, right there. Those guys are sword fighting.
You want me to hold you again, or you want to walk? Walk? All right. Oh my God.
Ooh, pretty.
I'm gonna pick one.
No, we have to leave those there.
There's one on the ground.
Hold on.
Oh, that one's already fallen.
Yeah, this one's already fallen down. It's got a little bit of wood chip on it.
Look at that. You want to hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go. You want one? We can get this one on the ground.
How does it smell?
Oh, wow. How cute.
Do you want to smell it?
Does it smell like anything?
Made it to the car. Very wet. And yeah, we're heading home. Back home now. It's actually much later now. But that was just really nice. Like when we left to go to the Arboretum, it was like 70 degrees. And I think it even cooled off even more, which was very nice because I don't like the summer. And the summer is just too hot for me. I don't like to go outside. I like to stay inside in the air conditioning. So this was just like perfect. We're on our way to fall. This felt like very much a fall day, a nice rainy day. And it was just nice. It was also nice to do just sort of a standard like vlog video. I haven't done one of those in a while. When I started this channel, that's pretty much all I did, and it was kind of nice to go back to that because we do have a few Arboretum videos, and it was just, I don't know, it felt like those early days of vlogging, but I don't know, maybe we'll be doing more of those when the weather gets nicer because I do end up out in the world a little bit more than in the summer and in the winter. I don't like to freeze, and I don't like to sweat. Fall and spring are for me, fall specifically. But yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog, and perhaps I'll see you tomorrow for more Pure Hangout.